Next thing on the list is array parts equals helper merge arrays, and we go for array, and we passing array parts, and then the second one was with the attachments. So if any of them is empty, it's going to be ignored. Now the next thing will be body parts equals new Zend mime message body parts set parts array parts, and now we go for the object message equals sorry, it's not equals, set body parts if object message is valid. If it's valid, then it's all good. Else, we're going to throw new exception, validation failed. But if it's valid, then we're all good and we can proceed with sending an email. So object transport equals new ZendMail transport, and we go for SMTP. Then we go for options equals, let's make it options, array, and we start with name equals localhost. Then we go for host equals SMTP underscore host. Remember that you obviously need to specify this in a config file. Then port, it's going to be SMTP underscore port. Then we have connection class login. Then connection, obviously connection here as well. Connection config, it's going to be array, and inside of this array we have username SMTP underscore username. Then we have password SMTP underscore password. Now that we have our options done, we also check if we have encryption. So if isn't empty, this underscore SMTP encryption, then options connection config, we add SSL index equals, and then this SMTP encryption. Okay, if we scroll down a little bit, now we go for object transport set options new ZendMail transport SMTP options, and we pass options as parameter, and then object transport send object message, and now return true. So that's everything in this chapter. Let me just quickly check if we haven't made any mistakes. No, there are no syntax errors, so we should be fine. Let's move to the next chapter.